Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to send documents on WhatsApp. Whether it's a PDF, Word file, or any other document, this process is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Locate the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap it to launch the app. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to send the document. This could be an individual conversation or a group chat. Simply tap on the chat to open it. Once inside the chat, look for the attachment icon. It's usually represented as a small paperclip icon, typically located near the text input field. Tap on this icon to reveal a list of attachment options. From the menu that appears, select Document. This option allows you to browse and attach files stored on your device. Now choose the document you wish to send. Navigate through your device's storage, find the specific file, and tap on it to select it. Finally, hit the Send button. This button is often represented as a paper plane icon. Once tapped, your document will be sent instantly to your chosen contact or group. And that's it. You've successfully sent a document using WhatsApp. It's a convenient way to share important files with friends, family, or colleagues in just a few taps. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need assistance. Thanks for tuning in.